Hi, I'm Phyllis and my website is southernfrugal.com. Today we have made another one of those top of the round roasts from Aldi's, the grass-fed. It's delicious again. All I did was put it in the little Pyrex dish, put a little bit of, let me show you. Adolph's tenderizer on it. Now when you use this, of course, you really should never use salt because it's salty. But anyway, it cooked about 2.5 hours, super tender again. Now I think last time I had one of these I thought it was organic, but it's not organic, but it is grass-fed. So anyway, I had some requests for how did I make that gravy that I put on there. So what I'm going to do is show y'all how I fix that gravy, and just to also tell you, when you fix it this way, it will work on pork, it will work on chicken, and certainly it works on beef, and it can even work on fish. I kid you not, it can, okay? So here we go. All right, so I've already got my skillet heated up. Move y'all in closer. We've got rice and green beans cooking also. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Kind of get it all covered there. I've got my burner just on medium. So I've got, I think this is 2 cups, y'all. Let me look. See if that's 2 cups. I'm sure it is. Yeah, it's 2 cups of chopped onions, and I use 2 cups of chopped bell peppers, and this is just the multicolored ones. All right, so what we're going to do is get these onions and peppers kind of soft. I'm just going to keep stirring them. I don't really want them to brown. I just want them to soften up. So this will take, I don't know, probably another 5, maybe as much as 10 minutes. We'll be back. All right, so the onions and peppers been cooking for just 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to put a little bit of salt on them. Not much, maybe. It's probably not even 1/4 of a teaspoon. And that'll help them kind of cause some of that liquid to come out of them. All right, we're just going to keep cooking these till those onions get translucent. We'll be back. All right, some of the onions have turned translucent, so now I'm just going to scrape them all back over to one side. Like that, because my skillet kind of tilts down, so we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. Got onion on my spatula. 4 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt. Now this is going to be sort of a gravy that will go with anything. And we're not going to use any bouillon or any kind of chicken stock or anything like that. It's just going to be water. And again, if your skillet doesn't tilt like mine does, you could just scrape all of the onions and the peppers kind of all around the edge and do this in the middle of the skillet. Either way it'll work. My burner's just a little above medium now. Alright, so to the 4 tablespoons of butter, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're just going to let that brown just a little bit, not much, but a little bit. Now the only salt I've added was adding a little salt to the peppers and onions just to make their make them, the juice run out of them really. we'll keep stirring this until it gets a little bit brown. We'll be back. All right, the flour and butter have got a little bit of brown on them now. So now we're going to add 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms. Just dump them in. Now we're going to start mixing everything all together. I had to switch to my metal spatula. I know some of y'all don't like to hear that, but it scrapes out the bottom of the skillet a lot better than the silicone spatula. Just mix all of it together. So now we're going to add 2 cups of water. Well, before we do that, I mix the cooking sherry in with mine. Now, if you object to the alcohol content of cooking sherry, then you can definitely leave this out, but it does add quite a bit of taste. So that's probably 1/4 of a cup of cooking sherry, and I do like this, y'all. Mix that all around. Alright, so now we're going to add 2 cups of water to this. And we're just going to let it simmer for probably about 10 minutes. Excuse me, the pollen has definitely gotten to me. You know, we got a ton of pollen. Even though it has rained, it's still terrible. Alright, y'all, we'll be back. Alright, the gravy has cooked down a little bit, and here it is. So we're going to get this meal on the plates, and I'll show you what it looks like. We'll be back in just a few minutes. Alright, the food's ready, and there it is. There's that roast, that top of the round roast. It is so good. We're having some of the tomato aspic with some radish and cucumbers, a little dollop of mayonnaise on top, green beans, and one of those drop biscuits, and our iced tea. And there's my plate. And I want to mention the containers over here are from Walmart. They're Rubbermaid, and I use that to store the gravy in, which I'm going to freeze. Now, if you freeze it, it'll kind of separate a little bit, doesn't affect the taste at all. And then when you warm it up, you just kind of stir it around a little bit and warm it up slow, and it'll be right back looking like this. All right, we're ready to eat. We will see y'all next time. Bye for now.